Hey, I'm Gadgets John, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Realme 8 Pro and giving you guys a look at the design. First things to note on this device, it's got quite a conspicuous bit of design choices being made here. There's a large "Dare to Leap" written on the back, and it's got a slightly mirrored finish which contrasts with the, I guess what you call it, frosted glass. It's not quite texture, but I really like the frosted glass. I'm not so sure about the "Dare to Leap." Some people are gonna love it. I'm on the fence. I do like the Realme logo that they've got on there as well. The camera bump is quite a stylistically intentional choice. I think it's quite cute. It's got a slightly mirrored finish to it, a little bit of raised. You can slightly see through it. It's like a 3D effect to it. It says 108 megapixel quad camera on it as well, because it has a 108 megapixel quad camera. It has a flash, and you can see all the units there. The one thing I'm not so sure about is the gaps in between. I would have liked it more if they raised that whole section so it sat flush. That's just my personal opinion. On the side, you've got a volume rocker and power key, headphone jack, which a lot of people have been ditching, but I'm starting to see them coming back, which I think is a great thing. Headphone jack, USB-C port, and speaker grills along the bottom. You've got another speaker grill along the top as well. For the display, you've got a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED and a punch hole camera, so it's not all screen. There's no pop-up camera things going on here. You've got a typical punch hole camera. It's quite small, doesn't take up too much display space, which is good. And then SIM tray on the left side of the device as well. So that's it for the design. I think it's quite cool. It's bold. It's not, this is a phone that's trying to get noticed, which is, I guess, as a brand like Realme, you want to stand out from the crowd. So they've gone for something that is definitely going to attract attention. In the box, you also get a silicone case there as well. I think it would have been a better idea to put the Dare to Leap on the case and then leave that plain, but that's just my personal opinion. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. That's it from me and the Realme 8 Pro. If you have any comments or questions, please put it in the section below. Otherwise, check out my Instagram channel, Gadgets Jon, for some pictures of and from this device. And I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.